Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, now I am appalled. Abel, I am surprised. I'm so shocked, guys. I am so shocked in the way Musa was speaking to Umayeni during that date yabo. Guys, in all honesty, one thing about Musa, he knows how to kind of tame, even if like he's irritated or something like that, he knows how to tame his tongue in a sense, and that I always commend him for. Like whenever he has a disagreement with his wives, he'll end up saying sorry, or unokudelela kwakhe, yes, but like when he's one-on-one with the wives, he doesn't normally do that. But this episode, you guys, Haibo, the way he was speaking Nomayeni, I was even questioning myself, does he still love this woman the way? Like, udinegile, he's getting irritated by any and everything that Umayeni is saying. I'm just like, why are you getting irritated when Umayeni is mentioning things that she's not happy with or what? But he's getting irritated. He's raising his voice. He's cutting her short when she's talking. Guys, angazi kubegani. And that time, well, it's not, I don't think it's the same day, but in that episode we see him having a date no kuzana with Utobile and Umangwabe. We don't know if it's the same day, but when he had a conversation no Mangwabe, guys, he was very calm. He started off his date no Mangwabe saying uthi bensafuna ukala ngoxolisa ngithi ngiyabonga and futhi ngiyaxolisa. Why did he not start his date with Umayeni kanjalo nje with a peace offering? Even with Utobile, he started his date so nice, but with Umayeni, guys, hi, the way he was so disrespectful. But guys, another scatfa that came out here, Pella, we get to find out a little bit information about this whole car situation that has been going on. Now remember, Musa did reveal that the reason why Umayeni left Mzumbe was because of Indabaye Moto. There was something going on with the car, right? And then Umayeni reached out to Musa, telling him Uguti I don't know something with the car. Musa then refers to Umayeni to Utobile. Manja Musa says Uguti Pela, Utobile is the one who pays for the insurance for these cars. However, abanga guys, awuzwani nomuntu okokuqala, and then you find out ukuthi insurance, angazi ukuthi if she found out or she knew all along ukuthi insurance yemoto yakho oyidrayivayo, guys, if anything happens to you, Utobile is responsible for that, for the insurance of the car. So Umusa says, I referred her Umayeni, Utobile, because Utobile is the one who deals with the insurance. Listen, Umusa says all those wives, the only thing they do, guys, is bafagu petrol. Now, if you have a car, guys, you will know with maintenance does not come cheap. Maintenance does not come cheap besides petrol. So meaning that when there's a tire that's wrong, whenever there's something that's wrong, Utobile, she gets to file all of those things with the insurance companies, you guys. Now, it's a bit awkward because we know Gutuvelu Umayeni, Beno Lokuzana, Beno Tobile, they don't get along, you guys. Now, imagine you don't get along with a person and now you're having problems with your car and you must go to that person. And that's why apparently Musa said ukuthi Umayeni une pride because akawazi ukukhuluma noThobile, and Umayeni, that just pissed her off, you guys. But anyway, Musa says ukuthi like this family, if we understood as a family ukuthi Thobile is one of us, then ngabe asinankinga with me referring some people to her. Manje, some people, they want to use Utobile to their benefit. Ukuthi moptanda bona, Utobile is part of us. Memengatandi, Utobile is no longer part of us. Guys, hi guys, I'm even asking, well, it's a beautiful thing that Utobile is paying for insurance, you guys, but listen, I think, like, let me just admit the truth, guys. Let me just admit it with you. If I was Estembine and there was a wife that I did not get along with, to find out she's paying insurance, I guys, now that would agitate me a little bit because it kind of feels like Utobile does kind of have an upper hand just because she's got the money, you guys. I know it might not necessarily be like that, and I'm not saying it's like that, but I'm saying it kind of feels that way, you know? And Umayeni, I think she might be getting those vibes because yeah, now Umayeni, she says ukuthi one thing that makes me not get along with someone, umuntu ongidelelayo, ongithatha kancane. So I'm just like, how is Utobile chattering you kancane? So unless, you know, because with Umayemi and Unokuzan, Umatsele, I don't really know why they don't like, well, I kind of do know why they don't like Utobile, but I do kind of have a feeling with Zilemda Bayemali, the fact that she has more money for them might actually be an issue, guys. Guys, no, guys, this meeting or this date or whatever with Umayeni, guys, you could tell which Umayeni, she's hurt. Upumela Payana, she did not even want to hold Umusa's hand. And Umusa, your guys, Umusa, hi. Umusa, kulumit yes, they bit. Because, guys, it's one thing to be best friends. Yes, they seem as if they're best friends. But, guys, the way Umusa was speaking to her, I am Tandang. Ang Tandanga, guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.